Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a look at something from Academia Barilla, and this is from the Delicious Recipes for Italian Favorites series titled Meat. So here on the front cover, we can see your stock photo and the title information. On the binding portion, we can also see this is from Taunton. On the back cover, we can see this includes 40 recipes, a little bit more description, a couple more photos. And again, this is from Academia Barilla with barcode information, some more print information there. On the inside of the cover pages, we can see here kind of a chef's hat illustration. And in the back portion, this is where the print information is, originally from 2013, again, Taunton Press. If we jump to the front, here is the title page and a little bit of description on Academia Barilla, and there's going to be lots of stock photography, and here we have the contents. Again, this being subject of meat, and a little bit more information on the editing staff there. And then the book gets into the text, recipes, and lots of photography as well. The back portion of the book does have an ingredients index, so if you were to approach the recipes from that direction. And the last numbered page before this last photo is page 94. So, see again, lots of photos for the recipes and a little bit of text for them as well. But taking a very quick look at something from the Academia Barilla series. There are a number of volumes in the series. This one being titled Meat, Delicious Recipes for Italian Favorites. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out their book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage, Moserp tools, and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos from our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.